Hello everyone, today's video is quite interesting. Everyone has a desire to create apps and website. So literally you people are going to be amazed by seeing making app without coding. We are creating an app similar to WhatsApp. Let's begin.
Welcome you all in new video. First we will be opening our Chrome browser and typing appsgrazer.com. So actually it is a website to create a app. So appsgrazer. So you can see the first link. So actually this website helps us to create a website without coding. So it will be create our app faster as much as possible. So click on the first link. So you can make your desktop site and click on the create app. So actually you can see here there is a two option, create your app for earning and create your app for growth. So actually I have to earn money by creating apps, so I will be click on first one. So here you can see many of the templates here, so you can make your app according to your choice. So actually I am making an app similar to WhatsApp, so I will be choosing video call and chat. So I will be choosing second option. So second option will be on chatting app, so I will be clicking on it. It will be taking a little bit of time to load because my network is slow. So this is the template description, so click on next. So here there are the required things you have to upload here. So first they have been asking a light theme, so I have already downloaded, so I will be uploading now light theme. So this will be my light theme crop. It would require a little bit of time to crop. And dark theme, these two I have downloaded before. It would also require a little bit of time, and select your background, and you have to upload a camera sticker here. So I have already downloaded as I said, so this will be my camera sticker. So now you have to download your custom color, so I will be selecting black color as my custom. So click on next. So here you have to give a name for your app, so I will be choosing yours chat as my app name. And icon, you have to upload a logo for your app, so I will be uploading. So the second one will be our logo. So just click on create. After clicking create, just open your dashboard of appsgrazer.com. As I said, first you have to be login. So you can see here, this is our app. So go to your dashboard and check on downloads, so you can find your app. So click on the link to download your app. So click on download. You can download through QR code. It would require a little bit of time to download, so you can read the following step. So you have to allow all the required things that the app must ask you. So first we have to download the app. Click on download. So actually it's as converted in APK file. So it would require a little bit of time. Click on open. Again it would require a little bit of time, and click on installation. then click install anyway. So guys, you can see here our logo has, I mean our app has been downloaded. So just open it. So this is the logo. So guys, you can see here how responsible app we have been created. So click on continue. So you have to allow all the required things, and you have to give your mobile number first to log in into app. So you can see guys, it is just similar to WhatsApp. Your chats will be privated with your friends. No one can see your data. So now enter your OTP. So I will be copying my OTP from here. So you have to create a 4-digit pin. So you can see it is a fully secure app. Again, it's requiring some time, so you can create your profile here. So I will be giving my name and I will be uploading my profile. So guys, you can see this. So please share, subscribe my channel.